Hey everybody, I am just back from the Ovation of the Seas. It is now sailing out of Los Angeles. I actually won a cruise on the Ovation of the Seas. I won a Shondaland cruise with Shonda Rhimes and her production company, so you can check out the video of Grey's Anatomy trivia hosted by Shonda herself and some of the cast members. But the cruise itself was just this little 3-day cruise out of Los Angeles. It was actually what they call a preview cruise, and most of the guests on board were travel advisors. So it's the first time this class of ship, has been sailing from Los Angeles, so Royal Caribbean invited a bunch of travel advisors on board to check out the ship. So they had a trade fair one day with a bunch of different vendors just to learn more about the product. And then they also had a stateroom tour. So they delivered everyone these really cool booklets that walked through like what all the different staterooms are on board, what the room numbers would be, and then you could go around the ship and all these rooms were open that were listed here, and you could go in and see what it was like. Now the lines for these tours were outrageous. There were no lines pretty much the whole time on the cruise anywhere around the ship, but to see all these rooms, to see all these suites, there were loads of lines, so I didn't get to see a ton of them. I wanted to go see every one that they had. I mean, why not? It's a special event I happened to be on board for. Everybody got to go. I only got to see a handful, but I did want to show them to you, whether you're thinking of booking a room, whether you just want to dream and drool over these incredible staterooms. I wanted to show you what some of these rooms look like. So we're going to start off with a junior suite. This is an accessible room. So if you've got someone in your party that needs or wants a room that is fully accessible, so maybe they're using a wheelchair, a walker, a scooter, and they don't want to have any steps to contend with, any steps anywhere in the room. If you sail before, you know, a lot of times to get into the bathroom, there's a step up. Well, there are certain staterooms that are accessible. So this was an accessible junior suite. The room size is 354 square feet on this, so it has an accessible shower, and then it's got a balcony in this room, and it's got a ramp onto the balcony as well. The closet too had a special bar that pulls down so that it is accessible and it doesn't have anything up high. You're able to pull that bar down to be able to access it from any level that you need. So again, that is a junior accessible suite. Then I got to see a couple of their single cabins on board. So if you didn't know, they're building ships now with cabins for one person. So most cruise ship cabins have 2 people. If you're sailing alone, you probably have to pay what's called a single supplement. This is going to vary by cruise line, what that's going to be. Sometimes you've got to just pay another full fare. A lot of times you end up paying like half of another fare to be able to get that room all to yourself. But a lot of these newer ships are coming with single cabins on board so that you can book a room just for you. So the first one I'm going to show you is an interior. So this is what's called a studio interior room. And again, this is just for one person. Now this is a small room. It is 101 square feet. But one feature I really like is that it has what I believe they call the virtual balcony, and it's this additional TV that's in the room that gives you a live feed of outside. So even though this isn't an outside room, you don't have a window, you don't have a balcony, you are able to see outside. So this is a vertical TV, you're able to see there and see the outdoor scenery right above the bed. So this room, sure, it's small, but if it's just you in there and you're not going to spend a lot of time in your room on your cruise anyway, this could be a great option for you. Again, Studio Interior is the name of that room. Then I also checked out a single room with a balcony. So what you're seeing now is the Studio Ocean View Balcony room. This room's a little bit bigger. It's 119 square feet, and then the balcony is about 55 square feet. So about half again the size of the room on the balcony. I found that to be a really big balcony. I actually had a double occupancy balcony room on this cruise. This balcony was bigger than the one that I had. So this was a pretty great room. Again, single occupancy. So Studio Ocean View Balcony was the name of this room. Then I went to check out some of the suites. If I could only see a few rooms, what I wanted to see some of the biggest and best suites available on board. So let's start with the Owner's Loft Suite. The Owner's Loft Suite is a 975 square feet. It is a 1-bedroom suite. It's got 2 bathrooms, and it is 2 decks high. So it has a lot of windows, so really great views from there. It does have a sofa that converts into a double bed, so if you are traveling with more than just 2 people, this room actually can accommodate up to 4 people. And then up there on the second level, it has the master bedroom. It's got the king size bed, so that's the primary bedroom up there with the shower and the 2 sinks up top. So again, that's the owner's loft suite. Going even bigger, going even better, there is the Royal Loft Suite. The Royal Loft Suite is 1,640 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This room is also 2 decks high. It's got a large private balcony with its own dining area. And then up on the second level, it has a soaker tub, 2 sinks up there as well. So again, that is the Royal Loft Suite. In these loft suites, I love the 2 stories of windows. There's so much light that you get in there. One thing I found a little surprising is that whatever room is in the loft, it's not really a separate room. There's just curtains that you pull closed. So there's no separate room with the door you're gonna close or lock. You're just gonna pull those curtains closed. So this Royal Loft Suite can fit up to 6 people in there. Lots of space for activities with 1,640 square feet. And then the balcony is 553 square feet. So pretty large balcony out there as well. So again, that is the Royal Loft Suite. So I hope that you enjoyed this peek inside. It was a really neat opportunity to be able to get to see a bunch of these different staterooms. I hope that helps you making your decision, whether you're sailing out of Los Angeles or wherever the Ovation may be going next. I hope you have a fantastic cruise. Enjoy!